She has a freaking microphone on. This is terrible. On our way to breakfast. We wanted to check out the digital photos from yesterday first. It's so convenient, but it's not breakfast, it's lunch. We're on our way to lunch. I woke up hella late. It's about 11 and I overslept. I'm a little bit hungover. The club was jumping. Ladies, leave your man at home. But yeah, we're gonna go see what we're gonna get into today. Alright guys, we're gonna see if they'll let us into the Diamond Club to see what it looks like. Wish us luck. Okay, we made it into the Diamond Club. This Diamond Club looks a little smaller, but this is a smaller ship. They were nice enough to let us in to tour around. Basically, it was just a quiet area to get away from all the noise and have a couple of snacks and hors d'oeuvres and coffees and things, but it was cool. It was really nice of him. To my mom's room because that noise, that music this morning was terrible. Nobody could sleep. So she went down to guest services to complain about it, and they upgraded her to a balcony room. A balcony room. Oh, then he's in the way.
Oh, I'm salty. Mom pulled like I would pull on her. I'm salty. And you know what's gonna be? It's funny because it's gonna be a waste. You won't even enjoy it. They don't just got a balcony. They got a super huge. You can borrow. With lounge chairs.
See what you can make happen when you complain, guys?
Right, be a Karen sometimes.
Sometimes being a Karen pays off. Isn't that right, Mom? Or should I say Karen?
Absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
My name is Karen. Nice doing business with you.
Welcome aboard.
I did everything I said, but I did it all my way. Oh wow, told you when you came my way, can nobody take your place. Oh wow, you know like the game them play, give it to you straight all day. Oh wow, body do the talking, babe. Baby if you make man praise. Oh wow, yeah. Today oh wanna odo ejinye la lo me. Ame bude quick be my hote pe. brought the days to my nights. Me no look no other way. Do anything for my babe. Oh wow, too much on that body, babe. You go take my breath away. Oh wow, she go make magic in the bedroom and I can't wait. Big mood, in love with you forever. Yeah. No day owana odo ejinye la lo me. Ame bude kpe ma hotepe o. Yeah. You bring the energy that I need to charge my life. And if it do you no wrong, baby. Yeah. And you are the time of my life. You are the time of my life. Yeah. You brought the day.
Okay, I'm currently on deck 11. Gonna go get dinner in the Windjammer. We decided not to participate in formal night. We just didn't feel like getting dressed, so we'll see what they have for dinner here. Right here in Ensenada, Mexico. I just came up here to see this beautiful rooftop deck, and then we're gonna go get some breakfast before it closes at 10:30. And if you look in the back, you can see the Carnival radiance. I'm so sorry, Carnival. We'll come back home. I'm so sorry we left. Oh gosh. We're finally getting ready to get off the ship to go explore Ensenada. It's taken us all morning to leave. Baby free! Baby free, because everybody's in kids camp, including the baby. And we're just waiting for the rest of the group to get here so we can finally get off. What time is it? Like 2?
It is 1:30.
It's 1:30 in the afternoon.
1:31.
It's alright. We're just shopping in Ensenada. We don't got much to do. My family left me and abandoned me on the ship when I got held up by security.
3, 4, and 5.
Dang, Bree ain't got no kids and cats?
Hell no.
I thought it was your phone. I thought it was your ID. Something. Oh, I'm scared.
Something important
Something
now.
important, right? Not the look on your face.
Yeah, like yeah.
Hope is important.
Oh my God, I think it's the passport.
Mom, we know.
Loving how you wind up for me. Tonight is all on me. Mash up the place for me. Yeah. She just wanna highlight. We that body talk to me. I need a taste, baby. Loving Loving the way you move around me. No more delay. No, you can't wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you work it? I can't find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. And every time that you come across my mind, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. In love. The way that you move, wanna connect with you like Bluetooth. No touching, that's my boo-boo. Your love, they do me voodoo. She's my new boo. I'm watching her like YouTube. I wanna ride like choo-choo. Your love, they do me cuckoo. Hey, yeah. Loving the way you move around me. The body don't wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you work it? I can't find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. And every time that you come across my mind, I keep falling again.
Hey guys, we're on our way to the escape room where we had to make reservations and pay ahead of time. We'll see if we make it out. I don't think we will because we've never done it together and we don't work well as a team, but let's hope.
We're gonna be hosting the escape room tonight. You're gonna be a group and I'm gonna be hosting the escape room, which means we're gonna be stuck with each other for 50 minutes if you don't solve it before, so be kind to each other, okay? Just a few things before we start. Hi.
Okay guys, we lost. We did not escape the escape room. We tried, but we definitely needed the help of all those teenagers that were in there with us. And we still lost.
I was kind of carrying the family.
We had a nice family. We had a nice little family. Hey, there they are. That's the nice family.
That's the brainiacs.
That's the nice family.
The family that held us.
Yeah,
Almost broke us out.
I feel like we would have been nowhere close if it wasn't for that one right there.
I know.
His little mask.
Once again, there's a party going on the Promenade. You can hear it clear as day from our room. I don't know if we're going down there, but I know I will never get a Promenade room again. If you like this kind of stuff, this is the room for you. This is not the room for me. Take a look. I'm not gonna lie, when we first got this room, I was really excited. Thought it was gonna be really cool to be next to the Promenade. But then when you're trying to sleep and all this is going on, it's not fun. Because the speakers are right there up against your wall and you hear everything, and especially when they've got microphones, you hear all that too. But if you're awake and you want to join the party without joining the party, then it's fun. Just pray they don't have a party while you're sleeping like they did at 9 in the morning.
Carter, get your bag, okay?
Yeah. Both of these, I didn't see any balls.
Hey guys, they're playing no games about kicking everybody off of this ship. You're supposed to be off by 8:30 for the next boarding. They're shutting down the windjammer. They're walking around telling everybody to please get out. My family is the slowest moving family on this ship, so me and Kim are ready to go. And we're waiting on everybody else, waiting on that pregnant one back there, if you can see her. So, trying to get off the ship now, get out of these people's hair. Guys! They make you go down the escalator with your luggage.
Oh, you go and get next square for your luggage.
Not a little Tupac.
Little Tupac.
Kalia.
California love. Dun, 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 dun.
All right, guys, we are out of here. We're officially at the lot, making sure we get our luggage in so we can go back to the terminal and get my mom, my sister-in-law. But that's it. We're done.